Welcome to our tutorial on culturing mushroom mycelium on Agar media. This process is essential for ensuring purity and vigor in mushroom cultivation. Let's start with the preparation of agar media. Agar, derived from seaweed, is mixed with water and nutrients like malt extract or potato dextrose, then sterilized in an autoclave to eliminate contaminants. Next, we move on to pouring the agar plates. The sterilized agar mixture is poured into petri dishes in a sterile environment and allowed to cool and solidify. Now, let's discuss the inoculation process. Mycelium from a pure culture is transferred onto the agar surface using a sterile tool, and the plates are sealed and incubated. Following inoculation, incubation is the next step. Plates are stored in a controlled environment, allowing mycelium to grow outward from the inoculation point. Monitoring and subculturing are crucial for maintaining healthy mycelium. Plates are checked for contaminants and mycelium growth. Clean mycelium sections are transferred to new plates if contamination is detected. Finally, let's look at how to store the cultures. Fully colonized plates can be stored in a refrigerator for short-term use or preserved using methods like cryopreservation for long-term storage. In summary, we've covered the essential steps for culturing mushroom mycelium on agar media, from preparation to storage. Ensuring pure mycelium cultures is crucial for consistent and healthy mushroom production.